So, I'm on with the new one this week. I'm probably not going to talk very much. I don't really want to explain why, but something's happened in the family and I'm not in the best frame of mind. But we're on with this kitchen this week. It's full rip out, full rewire, full replaster. Everything is going to be new. New LVT floor, similar sort of layout. Washer machine and dryer to go there. That radiator is getting moved over to there. Customer's buying that. I'm still waiting to see where that is. It might actually be in the living room. But yeah, all of this is getting ripped out. Full rewire. Right there for some reason. New fuse board as well. New fuse board to go in. Yeah, finished one, on with another. That might be a problem. There's a blending valve under there. I'm not sure why. Certainly find out once we've got everything ripped out. So, let's make a start. Basically, I had the rip out done. Electricians have been, put all cables in for oven, microwave. I'm sure they're supposed to be separate. Oh, they are separate. Ignore me. Oven, microwave, socket, lights. Extractor fan. Don't know what all that's for. Seems a bit unnecessary. Yeah, I don't know why. Don't know what all that's for. I have no idea. Because there's only going to be a hob and nothing else. Anyway. And then dishwasher, fridge freezer. Then the other one that needed chasing into the wall. It's not right good, is it? Let's actually stick out past the wall. This socket for the oven, for the washing machine and dryer. So, yeah, done the lights as well. At the minute, just going to stick with 7 lights. So you're going to see 7 drops here. However, we spoke and they seem to think that it might be a good idea if we ignore this light that was supposed to go here, and if the customer decides actually they want one there, we can pop one in and it's not going to be an issue. They've left me drawing where those lights are supposed to go. They may need to move them slightly with the studs, and they're not really going to be able to drill them out and notch them out because it's going to be metal studs. So that could be fun. My job today is to take in delivery. I need to fix these patches in the floor. I need to get those pipes from there up to there. Don't know who I'm going to take the skirting off. I might do. I might take the skirting off and then we'll patch them in with a bit of plaster. So I've already taken that one off. Gas engineer needs to drop that pipe under the floor, so it needs to just come straight out, down. And all this pipe work here to organise this, because there's quite a lot and it's quite unnecessary. Customer said he's got an outside tap. I can't see where it exits through the wall. Oh, there it is. So this outside tap, blended valve, and he wants to keep this. So basically I need to save this. It's then going to go under the sink along with the shock arrestor, and he wants this to be able to go back outside. So I'm going to probably just cut it off down here somewhere, and then don't know why that's not on there no more. A bit stiff anyway. I don't like these. I don't like these stopcocks. I'm putting normal full bore valve on for it. Yeah, so he wants to keep that, which is not a problem. Figure out exactly where the sink is going, but I know that this wall is going to get studded out by about 50 – 60 mil, which then means my sink unit is going to get pushed over by 50 – 60 mil, or we potentially swap in one of the units, which is probably more likely to happen. We have to wait and see what happens, and I'll probably do the ceiling first. We need to drop the ceiling and get it nice and flat. My plasterer will not be happy if he has to pull that. So we're going to get the ceiling stuff and go from there, basically. So yeah, let's get on with it. There's a safety. Where your fingers? No, yeah. Yeah, no. On this side, there's a safety, you gotta press that in and I hate it. I fucking hate it. There's a speed control on your right hand, where your thumb is, where you on the side, where you there. Yeah. You wanna start off slow, obviously. Once the trigger's in, you can let go at safety.
Get used to it, kind of.
Who in the right mind starts a skim at 5 o'clock on a Friday? Nut jobs, aren't you? Absolute nut jobs.
If I was you, I wouldn't take the piss, because I'm doing it for you.
I'm paying you.
Right? But I'm doing it for you. Otherwise I'll be off, and I'll tell you that I'll come in tomorrow, and then come in Monday, and delay your job, right?
I'll skim it. Just leave me your trowel and I'll get it on. Customer might not be happy.
Adam, look at me. Come here.
No, I'm not being your fucking mug.
Come here.
20 quid.
Come here. Hang on. Simba.
You're a prick. Happy?
Not really.
Loving life.
Loving life, yeah, sure. Loving life.
How do you feel? 10 minutes? One ceiling?
Feels good.
Yeah. Not bad going, eh?
Not bad going for old man.
Huh?
What's this man?
Old man and a banana banana boat.
Banana boat.
I think you done well. Fucking smashed it on. Right, so yesterday Stan and Alex were plastering the ceiling. I was just stood around doing absolutely nothing. So I thought today, instead of just standing around, I'm going to make myself useful. And I thought I'd bring my own trowel and help get on with them. Yeah.
Actually, that is going to come really handy.
Yeah, it will.
Actually, that is going to come really handy. Even though it's full of, I don't know what.
It's, I was using it for self-leveling. Right then, boys and girls, so it is 6 minutes past 12. We're going to get this room all done. And then what we're not doing is that, but we've got skirting walls to do. But everything else we need to do. What are we saying? 2:30? 3 o'clock?
I'm not saying anything at the moment. I don't know, mate. Depends how it goes.
Sam, what are you saying? Put some cement in.
4:30.
4:30. Not happening.
Oh, for fuck's sakes, man.
It's alright for a plumber. I think most of these walls are getting covered up with kitchen units,
Thank God for that.
tiles. Yeah, it's good. Got something to reattach my skirting boards now. That wall were a nightmare.
That wall was a nightmare.
SBR bloody peeling off for some reason. But otherwise, it looks so much better than what it did. Because previously that was all like stepped and it just looked fucking stupid and it was all over the place. And then the ceiling was like stepped and then down and there was a big hump in the middle of that ceiling, wasn't there?
Yeah, massive, about 50 mil in it.
Yeah.
50 mil difference.
Big, and it was over, what, 200 mil?
Yeah.
So, yeah. You've done alright.
Tired, mate.
Tired.
Absolutely shattered. This one got it out of
Another
me.
5 o'clock finish again on a Saturday.
Yeah.
Ridiculous. But anyway, means I can get my floor fit Tuesday and start fitting the kitchen on Wednesday.
Yeah.
I can come and help you out on Monday.
Oh yeah, that would be nice,
Yeah,
wouldn't it?
it will be.
Something different. I can watch you work for a change.
Well. Well, lesson learned. Set off earlier so that Howdens don't just dump the kitchen wherever they can. So this is going to be fun now. I was a little bit late this morning. We got a new dog. We weren't supposed to get him until Thursday, but I thought I'd surprise my wife and go get him a little bit early. He's adorable. And for the record, no, we're not using him to replace my previous dog. I know it hasn't been long, but we just really want a dog in the house. And this one came up and he was perfect. He was exactly the right fit for us. Very calm, not aggressive or anything like that. He was like absolutely perfect for us, and we just couldn't miss the opportunity. So hopefully, start a new life with us. Yeah, kitchen's here now, so I need to get all this shifted so that I can actually start fitting the kitchen. Just put it in the worst possible place for me. Like all of that, everything needs moving. So, for anyone wondering, don't put stuff like that in a corner. If anything, put the units in a corner, because you have to start from a corner when you fit in a kitchen. There's no way around it. You have to start from a corner. So there's units coming out that way, there's units coming out that way. Anyway, I'm going to stop whinging. I'm going to get most of this pulled out of this kitchen and make a start. So I had a few people ask me what I'm going to do to grout this kitchen, and I told them I'm going to use epoxy grout, and they were like, no, that's going to be a nightmare, it's going to turn out a mess.